Rusty's Mysterious Mystery.
Bites is full of energy today.
Hey, kids!
Hi, Officer Carl. What's up?
I need you to put a special holder on my hovercycle.
Sure thing. You mean like a cup holder?
Actually, I need it to hold something way more special than a cup. I need it to hold this.
Whoa, that's cool. But what is it?
It's a sculpture. I made it.
I didn't know you were an artist.
Oh, yeah. Sculptures, paintings, macaroni art. I can do it all. I love to express myself through art.
And this one's your favorite?
Yes, indeed. It's my lucky sculpture. I couldn't do my job without it.
What's the bear head for?
Because bear heads are cool. Yes, we are. And I've also heard they're lucky. Anyway, I always carry it under my hat.
So you need a holder. No problem.
We can put the holder over here.
Perfect. I'll go measure the sculpture. Didn't you leave your sculpture over here, Officer Carl?
It's gone! Hey! Maybe it's inside the bin. Nope, not here. Not under there. I don't see it anywhere.
This is a real mystery.
Ooh, a mystery, you say? Well, luckily I'm a trained officer of the law. I'll solve this in no time. Wait, I can't solve this. My lucky sculpture is gone.
You can solve this, Officer Carl, and we can help.
Well, thanks.
I'll use my tablet to scan for clues.
Look, wheel tracks.
Wheel tracks. Aha! Mystery solved! I know exactly what happened. These wheel tracks prove that my lucky sculpture was taken by a team of very clever hamsters driving teeny tiny motorcycles.
Well, actually, those look like Bite's tracks. Maybe he took your sculpture.
See what I mean? I don't have any good ideas without my sculpture.
That's not true. You're still a terrific police officer.
Yeah, in fact, why don't you talk to Bites?
Well, I am pretty good at asking questions. Bites, did you take my sculpture?
What he means is, did you take something about this big?
With a bear head on it?
But why? Because you're a master robot dog art thief? Is that it?
Bites, did you maybe think it was a bone?
Yep, that's definitely it. Knowing Bites, he probably buried it.
In the dirt? My sculpture? But dirt is so dirty!
Look, there's a hole right over there.
Oh, boy! Come to Daddy, my precious sculpture. It's not here. It's gone. Ooh, can you smell it, Bites? Go on, boy.
Look, my scanner found footprints.
Those prints seem to come from a pair of very small sneakers.
Very small sneakers? That sounds like...
Yes, a sneaker-wearing art thief with incredibly tiny feet. Probably named Tinyfoot Jones.
Liam wears sneakers. Maybe it was him.
Or Liam. That makes more sense.
Nyar, nyar! Surrender, Earthlings! Look out, Emperor Bob! The bear alien from planet Blargon is attacking! No! The space bear is defeated! To the Fortress of Awesomeness for snack time! Wow, 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 wow!
That'll be perfect!
Liam, wait! Oh, hey guys! Wait, I mean, what do you need, Earthlings?
We were wondering if you saw Officer Carl's sculpture laying around.
It's got a bear head.
You mean Space Bear of the Intergalactic Blargonian Empire. Come on. Hey, it's gone!
Oh, not again! Maybe real bear aliens kidnapped my sculpture to make it their leader.
Really?
No, probably not. If I had my lucky sculpture, I would have found my lucky sculpture already. I should give up police work.
You don't need your lucky sculpture to be a good police officer.
I guess. Maybe Ranger Anna knows who took it.
Ranger Anna! Great spot, Officer Carl!
Come on.
Ranger Anna! Have you seen Officer Carl's sculpture?
A sculpture? No, I don't think so. But I did find a cute thingamajig that I thought would make a great toy for the penguins.
What did it look like?
Like a big piece of bacon with a bear head. Somebody just left it in a tree.
A big piece of bacon? That's my lucky bacon! I mean sculpture! To the penguins!
Nope, nothing here about penguins.
Oh no! It's gone! My precious sculpture is gone forever! No! Oh wait, there it is.
A seagull took it.
Why would it do that?
I know why. It looks like a clam.
It does not look like a clam!
Well, the flat part kind of looks like a shell, so the seagull must think it's a clam. Seagulls love clams.
Oh good! Then he won't hurt it.
Oh, actually, they love to smash clams on the ground to eat what's inside.
What? No!
Don't worry, Officer Carl. Ruby and I can build something that will fly up and get the sculpture back.
Let's combine it.
And design it. We'll start with the BitBat 9000.
Then add 2 hands to grab the sculpture gently.
And finally, we'll add rockets so it can fly fast. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, Rustify. The Sculpture Grabber 900.
Yeah!
Don't worry, you and I will get your sculpture back.
Yes, you and I will. What? I'm going up in that thing too?
I need someone to work the grabber arm while I fly.
You can do it, Officer Carl. We know you can.
Hop on in. Blast off!
Have fun!
Hey, this is kind of fun.
Just use that control to move the grabber arms.
Woo!
And there's the seagull. Get ready, Officer Carl. We are go for grabbing.
I'll be as precise as possible. I missed.
That's all right. I can get close to him again.
Oh no! I missed!
No problem.
No! That's it! You can do it! Yeah!
Hey! That's a beautiful and useful piece of art! Not a clam! You can't eat it! No! Does this thing have turbo mode, Rusty?
It has deluxe turbo mode. Hang on.
Woohoo!
Get ready to catch it.
I'm not sure I can!
You can do it. If you don't, it'll break. your sculpture back, safe and sound.
And you did it without the sculpture's help.
Oh, I owe it all to you kids.
No, you helped the whole time. You had Bites sniff for the sculpture. And you saw Ranger Anna driving away at the park. And you saved the sculpture from being smashed.
You're right. Huh. Now that I finally got my lucky sculpture back, I guess I don't need it after all.
You don't need anything to be a great police officer. You're great, all on your own.
Aw, thanks, kids. You guys are pretty great, too. You make the best rocket ships. Can we fly it some more?
Of course.
All right!
Want to take it for a spin, Ruby?
Oh, yeah. Let's